Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today I will continue this session with part 2 of chapter number 6, integers. Today we will start further with our textual exercise, children. Question number 1 of 6.1. Write opposites of the following. Children, we have learned opposite in grammar also, right? So you know English also we have learned. So you know what are opposite. Here in maths also now we are going to try with some opposites. Okay. So the first question, increase in weight. Okay children, what is opposite of increase? We write it as decrease. So what will be the answer? The opposite of increase in weight is decrease in weight. Next, 30 kilometer north. What is opposite of north, children? Okay, that is south. Okay, so what will be our answer? The opposite of 30 kilometer north is 30 kilometer south. Okay, let us go to the next question. 80 meter east. What is opposite of east, children? Okay, yes, west. So what is the answer? The opposite of 80 meter east is 80 meter west. Loss of rupees 700. When loss means something you are losing. So what is opposite of that? Something to gain, right? So what will write? The opposite of loss of rupees 700 is gain of rupees 700. Next, 100 meter above sea level. Above means you understand that is up. So what is the opposite of it? Below. Okay. So the opposite of 100 meter above sea level is 100 meter below sea level. Okay. Let us go for the next question, children. Question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. Appropriate signs means, children, here you have to apply whether it is positive or a negative. Okay. So according to the question, we will go step by step and I will make you understand how you have to use positive sign and how you have to use negative sign. First one, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Children, in the question it is told to you above the ground. Above means up. So always when it is above, we represent above with a positive sign. So what will be our answer? 2000 meter, that is plus 2000 meter, that shows that it is above. Okay. Now next, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below sea level, children. Now opposite of something below means above, below. So when this is plus, then what this will be, children? Minus, right? So we will write our answer as minus 800 meter. That is the opposite of it. Next, a deposit of rupees 200. Depositing means when you are putting something, adding somewhere, so it adds the value. Here when you add, that means it is something plus. Okay. So what will be the deposit of rupees 200? So it will be represented by plus sign, plus rupees 200. Next, number 4. Withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means when you put the money in the bank and when you take it out back from the bank, that is called withdrawing, means to removing out the money from there. That means it is reducing your money there. So what will be the sign for that, children? When we are removing, we are losing something, so we will represent it by a negative sign, that is minus rupees 700. Question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. Children, here plus 5 we have to represent on a number line. Okay, you can see I have drawn a number line, but as I taught you earlier, children, whenever you draw a number line, first thing you have to think about the integer given, whether it is a plus or minus. Here as it is plus, so we have to draw it on the right side. So you can see here the number line I have drawn here from 0, the left side the negative integers, and here the positive integers, right? So plus 5 will be on the right side from the 0. So let us move to the 0. From there 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can see here I have circled here where the 5 lies here. So here you can see number 5 on the number line. Next, to represent minus 10 on the number line. Children, minus 10, it is a negative integer. So it will always be on the left side of the number line. So first draw the number line, marking the numbers from 0 till minus 10 on the left side of the number line, and from 0 move to the 10th step to reach minus 10. Same way we will represent plus 8, children, as it is a positive integer. It will be on the right side of the number line. So we will mark the numbers from the right side of from 0 to 8, and moving 8 steps towards the right side, children, will come to plus 8. Minus 1. Minus 1 is a negative integer, that means it will be on the left side of the 0, that is on the number line. So from 0, children, you can see here minus 1, and this side we can put it as 1, that is a positive side. So on the left side from 0, the first step will come to minus 1. Minus 6. Similarly, again it is a negative integer which will be on the left side of the number line, children. Okay. So you can see we have marked the number line from 0 till minus 8, and on the left side from the 0 count 6 steps so that you reach to your answer, that is minus 6. Okay. Let us go what is next. Question number 4. The adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Okay, children, the number line is given and we have to answer few questions based on it. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? So let us go to the answer. If point D is plus 8, then point F is minus 8. So which is that point? Point is F there. Question number B. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Children, here point G is on the left side, that is it is a negative integer. Next, question number C. Write integers for points B and E. Children, here point B is 4 and point E is minus 10. Okay. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Children, when you see the number line, you will come to know that the least means the lowest number on the number line you can find. We know that the negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers, right? So the least value you will find on the number line will be minus 10. Now arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Okay, so you have to mark all the points from the decreasing value. You have to see the numbers marked on the alphabets, and you have to arrange those alphabets in the decreasing order. So what will be the order there, children? Okay, the first will be D, then C, B, A, O, H, G, F and E. So when you see the values of the points, you have to arrange them in a decreasing order. Question number 5. Following is a list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Okay, so let us answer a few questions based on this. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Children, here the place temperature, these are the name of the place and the temperature given besides it, which we have to represent here in the form of symbolic plus minus. Okay. The first one, Sichuan, 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Below means minus. So what will be it? Minus 10 degrees Celsius. Shimla, 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. That means as it is below, again we will represent it by minus 2 degrees Celsius, children. Okay. Ahmedabad, which is given to us 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Above means it is on the top, that is plus. Okay. So plus 30 degrees Celsius. Delhi, 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Again the word above, children, that means it is plus 20 degrees Celsius. Srinagar given to us is 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. That means it will be minus 5 degrees Celsius. So children, these are the blanks given to you there. According to the statements, we have to write it with the plus and minus sign here. Okay, let us see the next question related to it. Which is the coolest place, children? The temperatures were given to us and we have to find which is the coolest place here. You can see Sichuan is the coolest place there. Okay, because you can see in that, you can see 1 minute. Okay, next, write the names of the places where temperatures are about 10 degrees Celsius. Now you have to write the name of the places where the temperature of those places is about 10 degrees Celsius, means it is positive and it is more than 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, you can see the temperature of Ahmedabad and Delhi are the places where the temperature is about 10 degrees Celsius. Moving to the okay children, so with this we end this part here. Hope you all understood. Thank you and have a nice day.